I applied the paint with my medium oval brush, and I had an email last week asking why I used an oval. And the answer is that they spread the paint really nicely. Here you'll see the oval brush and the bristles just spread out and apply the paint beautifully. So it's not like the oval stays in its oval shape. While you're applying the paint and you add a little bit of pressure to it, these bristles fan out and give it a very smooth, lovely finish. They're beautiful brushes to work with. And again, I'll include them down in the description below if you're interested in giving them a try. It'll just be a click away.